Hello and welcome back to Mid by Midwest. We have a trip coming up, and so we wanted to share a hack that we've been using for a while now. And it's a way to take those over-the-counter medications that you might need, that you definitely want to have should the need arise, without having to pay heavy markup, right, that lots of vacation spots or cruises or places may have. So we take a pill case. I like a good label machine, and so these are labeled on the outside for what you might need. So everything from diarrhea, which is very important if you're going to be trying out new foods, Tums, melatonin, right, your sleep schedule might get off. Another tip is some of these come in their own blister packs. I usually just chop them up, cut them out, and then I just kind of line them up on the inside so they're ready to go. And you can grab them when needed. Now on the inside, I like taking another label and putting the expiration date, so that way I know when they do need to be replaced. So I'm about to refill this one. They expire on March of 2024, so I'll put that on the inside and then fill it up, and then before every trip you just need to do a quick check, make sure that you're stocked up. If anything needs to be replaced, you can do that. And you can either empty these out when you come back, or we usually just leave it in our travel case so that way it's ready to go whenever you are. So that's a quick trick that you can use to save some space without having to take lots of bottles with you on your vacation. That's about it. Try it out.